Hey everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I am going to be doing, I guess, an unbagging of everything that I got at the Indie Expo Toronto 2019. I'm going to share with you what I got in this swag bag here, and then I'm also going to share with you what I got at the cocktail party. And then also I went to a polish making workshop, so I'm going to share with you the 3 polishes that I made myself. So I've got lots of stuff for you to see in this video. There's tons of nail polish, and I'm also going to do another video with my actual purchases that I made at the Indie Expo. So we're going to get straight into it because I feel like this is going to be quite a long video. So if you don't know what the Indie Expo is, basically it is an expo that all the indie brands come together that are actually able to make it. This was brought on by Girly Bits. Pam actually brought this all together. So all the indie brands come, and then you're able to shop, and you can. This time there was actual free massages, and there was also a photo booth, and then there's a singer happening throughout, and then there's a charity auction going on, and also there was like a few of the indie brands actually spoke on a panel thing, so that will be coming up in a later video because I took some video of that, and I'll show you kind of what it all looks like also in another video. So you're gonna have a bunch of different videos of this expo because I tried to get quite a bit of coverage. So I just wanted to start with what I actually got in the bag. So I am going to share with you what's in this bag, and I'm going to share with you what's in the cocktail bag. So let's get into it. So first off, you get your little pass, and I put my Allie's blog there, of course, and then you get a VIP bracelet because I did the VIP tickets. That's how you get the actual bag. So if you don't do a VIP ticket, you don't get the bag. So I would definitely do that. And then you get a booklet showing you about what happened in the expo during the day. So that was really neat. Alright, so first off, I'm going to start off with the polishes that I actually made at the polish making workshop. So this was hosted by Girly Bits, and Pam was there, she was leading, and then there was people from Glitter Unique, and a bunch of different people that were helping us make nail polish. So I was really into this. So the first polish we were actually told how to make by Pam, so she kind of went through each thing and told us how to actually make it. So this is what I came up with. I didn't actually name this one because I wasn't really sure, and I didn't really make it technically myself because it was following Pam's recipe, but I like it. It seems to be like a theme that this like turquoisey, like teal color, you'll see later on, is kind of a pattern in what is happening at the Indie Expo. But so this is the polish I made first, and this is 2 coats on the swatch stick of that one. So it's got some hollow in there. It has some shimmery powder. I started with a turquoise base, and you also use the clear base kind of to start it off, but then I went with the turquoise color. So yeah, it looks really pretty, and that is the first polish. So this is a polish that I came up with. I didn't really know what to name it, but I kind of got some help from the ladies. So this one I called was Grape Crush. So I started with a clear base, and then I used a purple pigment, and then I used like a royally blue kind of to get a purpley blue, and then I put flakies in it. I put like a shimmer powder in there, and then I put this like chameleon powder. So I put like lots of different stuff in this. So that is what I came up with for my first one. So it's got some blue, it's got some pink, and some purple, and yeah, turquoise has got lots going on. So I'll show you what the swatch looks like. So that is Grape Crush. That's what I called it. Yes. So the first one that I made. Alright, so this is the second one I made. I called this one a Mermaid Cove because it's kind of like a mermaidy kind of different color. At first I wasn't going to add an actual like color to it. I was just going to use the powders. So I did end up adding like a drop or 2 of the turquoise, and then I put flakies in this one, and then I put this like blue shimmery powder in it, and I think that might be all. I didn't put as much in this, but I really like how this one turned out. It is just so shiny, and it's got all different like things going on in it. So I really like this one. I like this one probably better than the other one. This is my second one. The first polish that you do with Pam actually does like take longer, like she said, to get going with it, but then once you get the hang of it, you just kind of get going. So that is the swatch. I kind of did this more as like a topper so you could put it over a base, but that is 2 coats of that one. You want to do it more of a clear base so that all of the stuff kind of shows through, but that is Mermaid Cove. Alright, so now I'm going to share with you what I got at the cocktail party. So there's kind of some exclusive stuff that you could get if you attended the cocktail party on Saturday night. So I'm going to share with you what was in my bag. So I'm going to start off with like the non-actual nail polish. So I got from Rouge Lacquer a 5 free. This is a 5 free handcrafted nail polish company. I've heard of them before, and this is their cuticle oil. Cuticle oil. It actually smells really, really good, and I really like the cute little bottle, but it's just a sample. So definitely looking forward to using that. Then I got some of these easy peel off tapes. I have used these before. They do work really well. I just don't really like how they're like a one-use thing, but if you're doing something that you know you're gonna need, like maybe a water marble, I think they're really good for. But these are from the brand MIDI. So there you go. And then I got these from What's Up Nails. These are the Greek stencils. I think this is kind of from like Harlow & Co, because What's Up Nails wasn't actually at the Indie Expo, but I think it's like through other companies, or Beautometry was there, so I think it's kind of, that's how this happened. But yeah, so I got those from What's Up Nails, and then I also got some water decals from them as well. So these are some like flower ones. They're pretty cool. I've never actually tried water decals from What's Up Nails, so that'll be pretty good. And then, hold on. Then I got this cute little nail polish pin, which I really like. And then I went with a friend to the whole thing. So she ended up giving me some more stuff. So from her bag, so she got these What's Up Nail decals, and then I also got this MIDI fan brush too. So she decided to give them to me. Alright, so now on to the nail polish. We are starting with Bee's Knees Lacquer. This is the polish that they put in the cocktail bag. I really like it. It actually is really pretty, and I'm loving their new logo. I think it looks super cool. This one is called Get Your Buzz On, and it's exclusive for the cocktail party. So I did some swatches. So right here is the polish from Bee's Knees, and that is 2 coats. So it's got some like flakies in it and like some shimmer on like a turquoisey kind of tealy base. So very, very pretty. Next we got the Lynn B designs, and this is exclusive also for the cocktail party. So this one is called cocktail swag. So you see what I'm saying? Like there's a lot of turquoise going on, like tealy turquoise. It seems to be a pattern for some reason. I started with the polish at the polish making workshop, and then I got the Bee's Knees, and then I got Lynn B, and yeah, it seems to be a theme going on. So swatch for that one. So that is 2 coats of that one. Very, very pretty. You can see that. It's kind of like a little bit lighter than the Bee's Knees, but it's got similar shimmer kind of to it, but a little bit different because it looks like it almost has like a silver shimmer to it. But that is the Lynn B designs. Next one I think is from Girly Bits, I'm pretty sure, because it's kind of went with the sticker that we got from the workshop and like their logos and everything. So this one is really pretty. So this one is Orchiding Me Right. So this again exclusive for the cocktail party, and it is really pretty. I really like this one a lot. We got a lot of hollow in there and like a nice like pinky bluish kind of purpley base there. So that is 2 coats of that one right there. Very pretty. I'm liking that one. So next one we got here is from Great Lakes Lacquer. I've actually never had anything from this brand, so I was excited to try them. So this one is called Pam Told Me To. I think the name is pretty funny. So this one is like it's got a purpley blue base, and it's got a green to like purple to blue kind of shimmer powder in there, and I think it's got some hollow going on too. So that is 2 coats of that one, if you can see that. So also really pretty. And then the last one is from this one, from Alter Ego Polish, and this one is just called IEC Meetup. And it is like it's almost like a rosy kind of red, kind of peachy kind of shimmer. I really like it. It's actually very pretty. So that is 2 coats of that one there. So that is all of the polishes that I got in the cocktail bag. So I actually, quite a different like selection there a little bit, but I actually like them. So you would only have got these polishes if you did go to the cocktail party. So they're kind of like exclusive. But yeah, so that is what I got in my bag. So I think I'm going to cut the video off there, and we're going to do a part 2, and I'm going to actually open up my swag bag because this kind of got a little bit longer than I planned to. And yeah, so look for part 2 of the Indie Expo nail polish swag. So thanks for watching. As always, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.